guys, welcome back to my channel Nimisha's Lively Lifestyle. For those who are new and who do not know me, I am Nimisha and I create videos anything and everything related to lifestyle, such as I give product reviews, health tips, beauty tips, share some interesting recipes, haul videos and much more. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that you get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. In my today's video, I am going to share a review of a face wash from a brand called Bella Vita, and it's this vitamin C face wash. Before getting into the review of this product, I would like to tell you all that I will review products only after using at least for more than 15 days because we need to give some time for these products to actually work on our skin. So after using them immediately for a week or so, we will really not know how these products are actually reacting on our skin. So it is very necessary that you need to give some amount of time for these products to actually work on our skin and then understand and then know whether this product is really suiting or not. Bella Vita is an Indian Ayurvedic brand and also they manufacture their products in Haryana, which makes these products completely Indian. Now before getting into the review, let me tell you something about the packaging of this product. So as you can see that it comes in a plastic bottle with a nice plastic cap. And you will get 225 ml of face wash in this bottle. If you are looking for a travel friendly face wash, then this doesn't meet that criteria because the bottle is quite big. Just in case if you are carrying a small bag, I don't think this will fit in it, but if you have a bigger size bag, then you can easily accommodate this bottle. You can get Bella Vita products from different websites like Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, and they also have their official website. I placed my order from their official website and it was a very hassle-free order. I did not have any problems. I received the product within 7 days of period, and as soon as I placed the order, I got an email confirmation of my address and all those things. Now let us see what this product claims. There is lot of things written on the label. I'll just read it out. It says that it will give glow and detan your skin. It reduces oil, acne and sebum production. It also minimizes pores and fine lines. It also says that it reduces pigmentation, blemishes and helps in scar removal. It also says that it is paraben, sulfate and silicone free. It's also a cruelty free product. That means this product is not tested on animals. And the main ingredients used in this face wash is coffee, neem and mint, and also vitamin C. Other than these main ingredients, there are other ingredients as well. So it says that it has purified water, coffee, neem extracts, basil extracts, vanilla, aloe vera extracts, menthol, vitamin E, almond oil, ester, glycerine, propylene glycol, sodium benzoate, decyl glucoside, papaya extract and vitamin C. Let me tell you some benefits of having coffee grounds, mint and neem in a face wash. Coffee helps in reduce inflammation and protect our skin from different strains of bacteria. Mint and neem, they both have rich in antibacterial properties and they help fight various skin issues like acne, pimples and even oily skin. Now talking about the consistency of the product, it's a gel based face wash and it also says that it is suitable for all skin types. So these are all things what the product claims and what the label of the product says. So I am going to share my genuine and honest reviews after using this product for more than 1 month now. So initially when I started using this product, I was very happy as I was in search of a product which did provide lot of hydration to my skin as my skin is very dry. Previously I was using the Biotic face wash, I think the honey variant, and I was very happy with that product, but still I was in search of a product which did provide a lot of hydration to my skin, and also winters were approaching and I wanted a good face wash for my dry skin. So I read lot of reviews on Instagram and also on their different websites, product websites, and I found that their reviews were very good and I thought of giving it a try, and I really thought that it would work on my skin as well. But in initial days when I used it, I was very happy, and it did provide that lot of hydration I was expecting from a face wash. My skin was happy even if I didn't apply moisturizer immediately, it was okay. So talking about the hydration, what it claims in this product, it does provide that 100% hydration to your skin. But when I continued using this for more than 15 days, I started getting breakouts on my cheek areas. And I'm a person who never get breakouts in my cheek areas. If at all I get pimples, I get them only on forehead. But this time it was very unusual, and I still didn't suspect about this product. I kept using it, and I thought there was some problem in my diet, or I was not drinking sufficient water. I continued using this product. Then it was around 20-25 days that I started getting more pimples on my cheek areas, and I thought, then I started suspecting that something wrong with my product, because other than this face wash there was nothing that I changed on my skincare routine. I was using the same moisturizer which I used to use, or the same night cream which I was using, so there was no changes in my skincare routine. So as this product says that it helps in reducing your acne, that did not happen. Instead I started getting more breakouts, and also this product says it will reduce the pigmentation, or it will reduce the blemishes on your skin, but nothing of that sort happened for me. I didn't experience any pigmentation reduction or any blemishes reduction. I do have some spots here and there. I thought that since it claimed all these things, I would get it free from that, but that did not happen. So on whole, if I have to say my experience using this, yes, it definitely gives you that hydration that you are looking for, especially if you are a dry skin and you want a face wash that provides you a lot of hydration. That can be achieved from this one. But I don't know about acne. I did experience acne and breakouts after using this product, and for temporarily I have stopped using this, and I have switched back to my Biotic Honey Gel face wash. That is really good face wash. I have been using that for more than a year now, and I did not experience any problem. But just as I saw the advertisement and I saw the good reviews online, I thought I should also give it a try, and yeah, it did not work for me, but these are my honest reviews. I won't say that it will happen to each one of you all, because I can see that many reviews and many YouTubers have reviewed this product and they are absolutely in love with this product, and their skin was really happy after using this one. So I don't say that you shouldn't give it a try. You should definitely give it a try. If you want to if you want a face wash that does provide you hydration, you should give it a try, but I would suggest you to do a patch test before you start using this product. So if you get any irritation immediately, then I think you should stop using it. And also a small note I would like to tell you all, that vitamin C products are not suitable for every skin type, and it's always important that you use and you see whether it is really working on your skin. And till now I had not used any vitamin C product, so I suspect it could be one of the reason, since I have not used vitamin C products. Maybe vitamin C as an ingredient doesn't help my skin. So on whole, I don't say this is a bad product, but I did experience acne, little bit of acne, and also I did not get that pigmentation reduction and blemishes reduction, but definitely it provided hydration. So if you want to give it a try, you can give it a try, and definitely do a patch test. And if you are a person who are already using vitamin C products and it's okay to use vitamin C for you, then you should go ahead and just check it out. I hope you all enjoyed my today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you felt this was helpful, do share it with your family and friends. And to stay more connected, do follow me on my Instagram page, that is Nimisha's Lively Lifestyle. That's all for today. I will come very soon with another interesting video. Until then, this is Nimisha signing off. Bye.